They entered the gates for a gathering like no other, where the spiritually inclined would find one another. Jalsa Salana, divinely birthed for all souls seeking tranquility on this earth. From the very first day, the flag of faith was raised high. We renewed our bond, a pledge of loyalty, a vow to serve the Khalifa, our guide.
You know, those 12 years, seeing him in dreams here and there, I would trade all of those 12 years, all of my life, just for that first moment that I saw him. No cost.
हर बंदा समझता है कि हजूर मेरे साथ बात कर रहे हैं या हजूर की इंटरेक्शन मेरे साथ है। आपका महबूब आपके सामने हो तो फिर उससे बढ़ के दुनिया में खूबसूरती या उससे बढ़ के दुनिया में आपको और क्या चीज़ चाहिए?
Words were delivered to rejuvenate and inspire those slumbering souls into a spiritually blazing fire. The community continues to grow from strength to strength, building mosques, hospitals, water wells at lengths. Whilst the seekers of truth, who pray for a sign, are guided to the community that serves God and mankind. A declaration of faith, coupled with a humble plea, solemnly addressed to the heavens.
Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa atubu ilayh. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa atubu ilayh. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa atubu ilayh.
So you entered the garden with its bountiful fruits. But will this be the end of your spiritual pursuits? For true progress lies long after Jalsa has gone. By praying with devotion the path set by Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the chosen one. And as this Jalsa's end is upon us today, remember, Sami'na wa ata'na, we hear and we obey. The Khalifa sent for the restoration of our faith.
Assalamu alaikum.